Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I take off my hair on a daily. This is moisturize, how I detangle, how I put my hair in a simple protective style. As you all know, as of last week I went to get my hair relaxed. So these are the things I do to my hair for about a week, less manipulation and all of that good stuff. So here we go. Okay, so guys, the first thing I want to talk about is tools, things that you use to pack your hair. I never ever use a rubber band. Instead, I use one of these cute hair packers because they're like very soft and also durable. Right, so I'm going to be using my Mega Growth. This is my daily leave-in conditioner, and so I use a generous amount of this daily leave-in conditioner. I just start working my way from the roots down to the tip of my hair, and I make sure my fingers really get through to my scalp, and my whole hair is really coated with the product. Next thing I like to do is to go over with my Soulmate. Soulmate is a household name hair cream that's been around for a very long time in Nigerian homes, and I just like to apply a generous amount of this as well to my fingertips, and I literally put this product on my scalp and I massage as I go, because massaging your scalp is really great for stimulating blood flow, which in turn leads to hair growth and just makes your hair really shiny and soft. Alright, last but not the least is my hair oil. I always use this, especially for the ends of my hair, because that's another part of my hair that dries really quickly. So hair oil is a great way to also moisturize your hair, especially the ends of my hair. I notice that every time I go out during the day, the ends of my hair is always freezed up, so I applied this oil to all that area. Right, so now it's time to detangle. You always want to use a white tooth comb, depending on the length of your hair. So I'll be using this white tooth comb, and you guys are going to see how easy it is for me to detangle. You want to start from the tip of your hair and work your way upwards like so. It is super easy for me to detangle my hair right now because I just got a relaxer, and I'm so thankful that my hair is relaxed so well, but it's not over processed, which is something I'm grateful for, because I set the timer immediately I started applying the relaxer. So at this stage your hair is super fragile, so you want to treat your hair with a lot of TLC, tender love and care. Like, be gentle with your hair. There's no need trying to be rough or tugging your hair with different things. Just be gentle, and yeah. Doing that just twice is okay. You don't want your ponytail to be too tight. You don't want to use the band or the hair packer to pack your hair too tight. That's another thing that leads to breakage. Your hair is still kind of fragile, and there's a very tendency that if you do any over manipulation or anything that will stress out the hair, it will snap. So this is the time you want to treat your hair with a lot of tender love and care. Now you need to just come up with simple hairstyles that will not stress your hair at all, and which is just great. I mean, for me, I'm going to be rocking my hair for the next 1 week like this. Like, this is the perfect time to show off your hair, whether it's length, whether it's how full your hair is, whether it's how long, whatever your hair type is right now, this is the time to show it off. So just let the hair be, and then after 1 week or 2 you can go back and do your thing. When I started outgrowing my hair, of course I love people with really long hair, but that wasn't the goal. I wanted my hair to be a lot more healthier than it was before, and then I went out and started looking for things, research things I can do to my hair. Right now I would not say I'm a product junkie. These are the 3 main products I've been using for a very long time now, and just keep doing what you think is right to your hair. I don't want you to take my word for it. Actually do the work, listen to your hair, see how your hair reacts to different products, and yeah. So leave me questions down below if you've got more questions for me. I'll be ready to answer you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.